Can you really cash out $200 daily just by playing games on your mobile phone? In today's video, we're going to be looking at a site called Money Kitty, and we're going to be finding out whether it is true and whether you can actually withdraw $200 every single day. Hi, I'm Martin, and I test sites like this on my YouTube channel. So if you're looking to make money online from home just by using your phone, then make sure you stay tuned right to the end of this video. I'm going to be doing a full Money Kitty app review, so you'll be able to find out whether it is worth your while or whether you can actually cash out $200 daily. Okay, so as you can see, we've come onto Google Play, and here is the Money Kitty Play and Earn Money app that you can then download onto your phone. Now, as you can see, it's had over 100,000 downloads and it's got reviews of over 4 stars. Now, the thing is, if we scroll down, as you can see here, they are saying that you can actually you can cash out $200 daily by using this app. I'm going to be doing a full review of the app on my mobile phone very shortly, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Where I'm going to be showing you exactly how much you can actually earn and whether it is worth your time with Money Kitty. So let's jump across to my mobile and run through it, how you can actually earn money and whether you can cash out $200 daily. As you see, we've come onto the app here and just click on the Money Kitty app after you've downloaded it, of course. And the first thing you come to is this page here. And these are games that you can actually play. And as you can see, play and earn 467 coins per minute. This one here, you can earn 442 coins per minute and 418 coins per minute, etc. And as you can see, there's 4 games here that I can download for free and start playing. And it says here, play 14 minutes to earn $5. As you can see at the top here, my next payout is £5, and that is 10,999 coins. Now, I've already got 4,885. So if you look at the games that we've been playing, this is what I've got here. And as you can see, it says limited offers, and this is the game I've been playing, Coin Master. Now, you can obviously earn all these different bonus points here, which actually will make it even quicker to get to your bonus. You can see here, if you complete to village 30, you get a 5,500 bonus. So that is all part of the game. So there's various different stages you have to get to so that you can actually earn this cash. Now, you would obviously have to download the game first, and then you click on play, and then literally you just play the game, and as you reach certain targets, you will get certain points, which will come automatically into your coins. You've also got new games here. Well, it's obviously given me new games. When you first start, you just get 1 or 2 games, and as you can see, there's another 4 games there that I could earn as well. 14 minutes for $5. Now, as you can see, 14 minutes for $5. Are you going to be able to do $200 cash out daily? Very, very unlikely. So you're only going to do $20 actually per hour. So that means you've got to actually be doing it for 10 hours solid and still get the 14 and still get loads of points to actually reach that total. When they say cash out $200 daily, I don't think that's quite true, and it's a little bit misleading on their app, on the page, on Google page. I've tested loads of these games, and as and when you start playing them, obviously you then have to play even longer to get less amount of coins. So it's getting you to play and play and play. That's what it wants you to do. It's not to say that you couldn't earn enough to get the $200, but I don't think it's going to be possible on this app at all, I'm afraid. Even if you were downloading 4 or 5 games and playing them all the time, you'd be constantly on there every single day. So when you do actually hit the payout, you can just come down here and click on payout. This is the sort of things they do. We've got Google Play, we've got Amazon, and we've got PayPal at the top here. Now, as you can see, my first £5 would actually be in a Google Play voucher. Okay, so it wouldn't be cash. So again, slightly misleading because you're actually only going to be able to get a game. If you wanted to withdraw PayPal, the first amount you can get to is £20. Okay, so it'll probably be about $20 on if you're in the US or other countries. I'm in the UK, it's coming out as pounds. So I'm going to actually have to get to 80,000 coins to withdraw that £20. Now, obviously, if I wanted to get to the £200, I would have to get to 550,000 coins in a day. And like I say, guys, this is very, very unlikely that you're going to do this. So, like I say, take this with a pinch of salt. Yes, these programs do pay out. You will obviously have to watch ads, and ads will come up, and you will actually play the game. There are in-game purchases that you may have to do in order to get to your targets a lot quicker, but you can get there as a free member as well, because I have done that, and you could reach some of these lower amounts. Certainly the £5 and the £10 is probably doable. They also do Amazon gift cards, so you could get to just £2. Amazon gift cards are you're saying you can only get £2 out, but then you've got to get more coins. So I don't quite understand that, because it says you've got to get 12,000 coins to get £2 out, where on Google Play you've only got to get 11,000, so it's 1,000 less, and you're getting £3 more. Bit of a mystery of why they don't tally the coins with the amount that you're actually paying out. Because in theory, Amazon, if you're only getting out 2,000, you should be able to withdraw when you get to about 5,000 coins, which is what I would be near. Good that it pays out on PayPal. Not so good that you have to reach obviously the $20 per payout. This is an app that you're going to be able to earn money. You're going to be able to draw out, and you're going to be able to get Amazon gift cards, Google Play vouchers, etc. You're probably only going to reach probably $5, $10, maybe $20 probably a month. So it's going to be a few extra quid. And if you're into your games and you like playing games, you might as well use the Money Kitty app, play the games that they supply, and then obviously get a few pounds for doing so, rather than just playing and not earning anything at all. So you could definitely earn extra cash by playing Money Kitty. So overall, my conclusions to Money Kitty app: yes, it's worth downloading and playing games. If you love playing games, play games, and obviously you can earn a few dollars here and there, which you can obviously then withdraw either through PayPal or through various other means. So definitely worth giving it a go. But whether you would earn $200 cash out, definitely not. I don't think you're going to reach that sort of figure. If you want that sort of figure, then maybe check out in the first link in the description below here, where then, yes, you could actually build a business up to actually earn $200 daily. So it is possible online, but I don't think the Money Kitty app is going to be the place where you're going to be able to do this. Trust you found this useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and you'll be notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.